Hello, I'm back again with a new hair dyeing video. I had to take a little break last week. I couldn't record or upload a video, but that's okay. We're back today. So I wanted to do an intro first before I get into it. And this is the color I currently have. It's still super bright and orange, but I got some root growth here that I'm not super into. And I really wanted to record this kind of outfit first before I do the next color, because I also want to see how it looks with the other color wearing the same outfit, and I want to like compare, see which one I like more. But yeah, also I just wanted to, I don't know, say bye to this orange and flaunt my cute little orange arm warmers that I just made that match my hair for the last time today. I really haven't taken too many pictures or videos, I feel like, with this hair, so I'm kind of trying to get the most out of it today before I do the rest of this video. So yeah, this is what we look like before we dye our hair, and we'll find out what we look like after. I am kind of sad because I do kind of like this orange, but I also am, as always, ready to move on to the next one. And if you've been paying attention to my hair dyeing videos and the color scheme and everything, I'm basically going through the rainbow. So the next color is gonna be yellow. That's why I'm also excited to see how it looks with this outfit. This is new! I got it on Depop. I had to sew it, of course, because nothing fits me the way it's supposed to, but this is why I have a sewing machine. But it was a little bit too big, but it's good now. So yeah. Anyway, I usually start these videos looking like a mess with no makeup and everything and in my hair dyeing clothes, but since I wanted to take some pictures in this outfit before I did that, I decided to get a little fancy and dressed up and everything before I do this. Here's my face. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna go get changed and start dyeing my hair. Oh, before I do that, actually, I'm first gonna be bleaching my roots today, right? All this. And I'm hoping that some of the bleach, when I run it through the rest of the hair, I'm hoping that it's gonna lift this orange so that the yellow actually comes out yellow instead of like a peachy or like a lighter orange color. But I'm gonna do that off camera because there's nothing really fun about that. It's the same process, I've done it a billion times. But yeah, I'm gonna bleach my roots and do that off camera. And then I'm gonna come back and record the yellow hair dyeing process. So yeah, let's go. Hello, so I am back after bleaching my roots, and as you can see, I'm a little peachy. This orange is really stubborn. So yeah, I bleached my roots and then I did like a little bleach bath and ran it through the rest of my hair. It definitely lightened it, but I mean, you can see it's still pretty orange. Well, I guess not as orange as it was before, but still, I don't know if this is light enough to do what I need it to do, but I guess we will see. I can give it another bleach bath, but I don't really want to do that, and I am also curious to see how it's gonna turn out with like this, if it can cover it at all. I'm sure the roots will be fine because they're light enough, but yeah, this like peachy orangey color, not super light. So yeah, we'll see how that works, I guess. I don't want to give it another bleach bath because I'm not trying to like completely ruin my hair, right? And I just also don't want to waste the time doing that today. So yeah, I'm gonna do this, just use this dye right over it. The other thing though, I noticed, this is the Adore Cosmic Yellow hair dye. Last time I used this when I did my rainbow hair color, it looked kind of green when it was coming out. And I remember like, I was like taken aback by it. I was like, whoa, like that's kind of weird. But maybe, I'm hoping that this green tint that's in here is gonna neutralize this orange color and turn into the yellow that I want it to be. But I don't know. We will find out. We will see. Let's all go on this hair dyeing adventure together, yeah? Let's do it. Yeah, look, it looks green! It straight up looks green. Okay, I think because it's like this, that this particular yellow is made like this, I kind of have high hopes for it, and I think that it might actually work the way I want it to, so yeah, let's see. I don't know why I only squeezed this much. I definitely need more than that. Okay. Yeah, so far it's not looking very promising, unfortunately. Oh boy. Okay, so I can already tell it's not gonna be exactly what I wanted it to be, but I don't know, hopefully it still looks good. It looks weird right now. It looks really weird. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna wait now, I guess, and see what happens. Yeah. Okay. Oh, that's still so orange. Oh man, this is gonna be weird. This is gonna be weird. I might have to do like a part 2 for this yellow hair dye situation because this might be a fail. Alright, I'm gonna go now. Yeah, I'm gonna wait and rinse it off and come back and see what happens. Hello, I'm back. So, this is how it came out. It's actually a lot better than I thought it was gonna be. As you can see, it's like a pumpkin-y yellow color. Definitely not as bright orange as it was when we started, but not quite the yellow that I wanted. I wanted this like super neon, like lemony yellow that you can see at the roots here. Obviously the roots came out like that because, you know, I just bleached it, so they were light enough, but as you saw by the process, this was still pretty dang orange when I bleached my roots and did the bleach bath and rinsed it and everything. But I think it's because of this dye, I was able to actually get it pretty light to where it actually looks pretty yellow. So I'm happy about that. It's definitely like I keep thinking of like pumpkin, like pumpkin-y color. Which I guess is fitting because we're in September now going into spooky season, so I guess that works. It's not the color that I planned on, but I'm not mad about it. I actually really like how this came out. I do still want to eventually try like a super neon yellow color, but I like this. I do like this. Yeah, so here's the same outfit from earlier. I think the yellow looks really cool with it, and I'm really happy with how it came out. Ears, spooky arm warmers. I am so happy with how these came out. Oh my gosh, I think I might make more of these in different colors. Yeah, look at this. I love it. It looks awesome. I gotta get it here so you can actually see the ears. But yeah, this is super cute. Oh my god, I gotta take some pictures. Do you like my super spooky black lipstick? Ooh. Oh, the only thing though that is kind of weird about this color is like, so you know how I match my eyebrows to my hair? Yellow eyebrows are still very light and hard to see, so I ended up actually darkening these a little bit. Like I put on a super bright yellow color and then I put in a little bit of like orangey or peachy color to like actually make them stand out a little bit, because these are way lighter than the orange or the red or the other colors that I had before. So yeah, it still looks cool though. I gotta take some pictures. Oh, let me do a close-up of the makeup. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love it. I love it. Okay, so yeah, I guess that's it. I'm pleasantly surprised with how this came out. I think I am gonna leave it like this and just like let it fade and maybe dye over the brighter yellow again. But other than that, I'm happy with it, and I think it'll definitely be light enough next time when I'm doing the next colors. So yeah. Oh, so spooky. I'm a little pumpkin. It's so cute. Okay, are y'all ready for spooky season? Cause I am. I freaking love fall and Halloween. It's my favorite holiday, and I'm ready. Okay, as usual, I'm babbling and looking at myself in the video and getting really excited about it. And anyway, alright, I'm gonna end this video. Thank you for watching. Sorry I didn't have a video last week, but you know, sometimes life happens and we gotta deal with it and move on. Yeah, if you like this video, please leave me a like. If you have any questions or comments or anything, please leave a comment. Let me know if you like this color, and if you thought it was gonna come out really bad, or if you thought it was gonna come out good. Anyway, the video was a little bit of a roller coaster with the trying to figure out if this will look good or not. Also, if you're new and you like this video, I do a bunch of hair dyeing videos and art videos and fashion videos and style, all kinds of stuff. So you should subscribe and come back. I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Have a good day or night or whatever, whenever you're watching. Okay, bye.